What's up, my peeps, and welcome to Troy Creations. Today I got a special piece for you guys. This is Tanjiro from Demon Slayer, and he's probably one of my favorite characters, especially from last season, besides my boy, the Thunder God. Shout out to all my Demon Slayer fans who know what I'm talking about. But I really enjoyed this build. It was a fun build. It took me probably about 40 minutes. 30 minutes of that was probably from the stickers alone. But this was a fun build. I like the quality of it. So go ahead and stay tuned and enjoy the video. And there you have it. This thing came out amazing. Look at this thing. I probably give it an 8 out of 10 as far as plastic goes, but for everything else, I enjoyed. Oops, I lied. I did not enjoy putting the stickers on. The stickers were very small, and for people who just use their fingers, or for kids that use their fingers, it was a little challenging, at least for me. But thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button down below. Go ahead and subscribe. And for all my Demon Slayer fans out there, go ahead and comment down below your favorite character and why. But thanks for watching, and stay tuned.